Welcome back. Is this the best hotel in Vancouver, or are you just paying for the name? We're spending 2 nights at the Fairmont Pacific Rim to see if the $600 a night price tag is actually worth the splurge. This Forbes Five-Star hotel is stylish and modern, with stunning views over Cole Harbour. With an extensive collection of art, excellent location, and blend of Eastern and Western styles, does this hotel live up to the hype? Join us and we'll take you on a full room tour, check out the hotel, and explore some of the luxurious amenities. The Fairmont Pacific Rim Hotel is located in downtown Vancouver, about 30 minutes from the airport. It overlooks Cole Harbour and it's close to the Convention Centre, Waterfront, and Stanley Park. If you're looking for a hotel near Vancouver's cruise ship terminal, this is right across the street. Just don't confuse the Pacific Rim with its sister property, the Fairmont Waterfront, which is only 2 blocks away. Welcome to our room on the 15th floor. We booked the Deluxe Partial Harbour View King Room directly through the hotel's website. This room is just under 400 square feet. It features a king-size bed with nice, crisp linens. Above the bed, there's a backlit forest scene on the wall, which is pretty cool. There are North American outlets and 2 USB-A ports on one side of the bed. The other side has the light and curtain controls. There is an outlet nearby, but it's not quite bedside. Next to the bed is a tablet, and you can use this to get information about the hotel, operate the lights, curtains, and the temperature of the room. It's basically a high-tech command center for your room, and you can even order your breakfast without leaving bed. It's cool to have things like this in a room, and this one is actually useful. We arrived late, so the room was already turned down, with water and glasses bedside and slippers set out. Bottles of filtered water are set out at each service. Fairmont has made an effort to remove single-use plastics from their hotels. This room has a lot of simple, warm walnut accents, and it's bright and crisp. A small sitting area near the window, and a large desk with a hidden charging station offer some places to work or relax. When we arrived, they even set out a fancy chocolate as a welcome treat. The TV and soundbar are wall-mounted, so there's extra space. The large cabinet below hides the chargeable minibar and coffee station. A selection of teas and espresso coffee are included, and the room is well stocked with glasses and mugs. There's a space for your luggage and a suit rack. Additional storage can be found in the drawer below. The bathroom is a marble-covered Oasis and feels huge, though surprisingly, there's only one sink. There is plenty of counter space, and there's a cool frosted glass transom above. Tucked into the mirror, a TV. These always seem extravagant, and I'm not sure how much they get used, but they're fun additions. Let us know in the comments, what do you think about TVs in hotel bathrooms? There's a good-sized standalone shower and a soaking tub. The toiletries were Le Labo and were quite nice. The towels were decent, but some of our towels in the room had seen better days. The toilet is in a separate space and enclosed with a glass door. There's a small closet near the entrance to the room with some nice amenities. We like seeing a steamer and find them more useful in many circumstances than an iron. We paid extra for a partial view of the harbor, and it was worth it. We looked out directly east and had some great views. This room looks great, but after a long day of travel, the only thing that mattered to us was a good night's sleep.
That was a long day of travel to get to Vancouver, and we got in a little late last night, but how'd you like the bed?
The bed was perfectly fine. I was so tired, it didn't matter. It's a little firm, though.
It is firm. The pillows were poofy, but I slept well.
It took a little finagling on the pillows to get them working just right, but again, so tired, didn't matter.
No.
In addition to the water views, we had a great vantage point of Vancouver, looking down West Cordova Street. From outside, the Pacific Rim is dramatic and modern against the skyline. The hotel makes up the lower levels of the tower, with residences above.
Wi-Fi in this hotel is complimentary for all guests, but here's a tip. If you're an Accor member and it's free to sign up, sign in with your Accor account. The internet is much faster. We did a side-by-side speed test and you can see the difference.
The room is definitely impressive, but a real test of a 5-star hotel is the service and amenities, so let's take a look at the rest of the property. The lobby lounge is apparently the place to see and be seen. When we checked in late on a Saturday, there was quite a party going on. The main lobby bar features a 20-foot fireplace, and the centerpiece is a $225,000 Fazioli piano. Apologies if I mispronounced that. There are well-crafted cocktails and snacks available here. There's even a raw bar, and it's the first 100% sustainable sushi bar in Vancouver. Up one level is the Botanist restaurant and bar. It's broken down into several themed zones, like a champagne lounge, a gin bar, the garden, and a dining room. This is the main restaurant where we enjoyed breakfast our first morning. Breakfast is a la carte. Ryan ordered a granola parfait, and I had a chia seed pudding. Both of these were good and plenty for breakfast. The pricing was reasonable for high-end urban hotel as well. The service was great, and our waitress was friendly and engaging. Our stay coincided with the FIFA World Congress, ahead of the World Cup, and unfortunately, this bar and restaurant were closed the rest of our stay for private events. We had hoped to try out the gin bar, but we'll have to come back for that another time. If you're looking for a quick bite, you can also head over to Giovane Cafe, which is accessible from the lobby or the street. It's a cafe featuring Stumptown coffee and light bites. They also serve wine, pizza, and pasta later in the day. There are a few small shops, kiosks, a jeweler, and a florist just by the front desk and off the lobby. Where this property really stands out are the wellness facilities. The pool and hot tub are on the 6th floor and are available year-round. The pool is heated, of course. There's a Nordic spa which features a sauna and cold plunge circuit. You do need to make a reservation for this amenity. Even though it was cool during our visit, the pool was quite popular. There's an impressive fitness center that's open 24 hours a day. It's really large and well equipped. There's a good range of cardio and strength training equipment, including free weights and machines. The hotel hosts daily fitness classes, and private trainers are available for an additional fee. The fitness center was busy during our visit, so the video doesn't capture everything. We try and be respectful and not film other guests. The hotel also has an award-winning spa. The main spa was undergoing renovations during our visit, so they were operating out of a temporary location, but the lobby was amazing. You can also take your exercise routine outdoors. This hotel is right off several bike and jogging trails that run along the waterfront and head towards nearby Stanley Park. Quick tip, the concierge has coupons for several nearby bike rental shops. We have a 24-hour in Vancouver video coming soon with a great itinerary of activities. Now's a good time to hit that like button and subscribe so you can stay up to date when that video is released. We really appreciate it. We arrived via an Uber from the airport, but if you're driving, the hotel offers valet and self-parking, both at a fee. The hotel advertises that they have complimentary car service using BMWs, although we didn't see much about this and didn't ask about it. We really enjoyed our 2 nights at the Fairmont Pacific Rim. The service was attentive, the staff were friendly, and what you'd expect at this caliber hotel. Our room was spacious and comfortable. The bed was a bit hard and the pillows were too full, but these are minor complaints and we both still slept well. The location was great and the views were spectacular. The public spaces are modern and dramatic. During our stay, the hotel was hosting the FIFA World Congress events, so they kind of took over the lobby and some of the public spaces, but this didn't detract from our stay much. One thing to keep in mind is this is an urban hotel in the Vancouver city center, so you may hear some noise from the city at night, but this was minimal. Now, what did this cost? Well, we stayed here in late April and booked this through the hotel's website. We paid $600 a night plus tax for our Deluxe partial Harbour View King room. We thought that was a reasonable price for the level of accommodation and the location. Would we stay here again? Yes. This was a great hotel and the staff were excellent. You can't beat the location. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. We've also recently reviewed the Fairmont Banff Springs Hotel. We'll link to that in the description if you'd like to check out Canada's Castle in the Rockies. For even more content, check out our channel memberships here and on Patreon. This is where we share exclusive posts and videos that don't quite fit on the main channel. Thank you for watching. On to the next adventure.